Hello children, now we shall learn joints. Students, we know that there are 206 bones in the human body. Two bones are joined together at joints. A body has many joints, so let's know more about the joints in the human body. When you kick a football, your knee moves in a specific direction. Is this movement and the movement of arms when you play badminton, is it same? No, it is not same. Can you move your backbone in a similar manner like the arm? No. The movement of backbone and movement of wrist is different. Can all the parts of our body move? No. Some parts of body can move while others body parts cannot move, and this movement of our bones, it may be the bending, twisting, or just lifting anything. Students, we do many activities very easily. Have you ever think how we can do this activity very easily? Our ability to bend our arms and legs, it makes it easy for us to do different things. We are able to do this because of joints. Joints are very much important in our body. Two bones are joined together at joints. The bones bend at the joints. A body, it has many joints because we have 206 bones, so there are many joints also. All joints except those in the skull can move. The skull joint cannot move. The joints in the skull, it is called as immovable joints because it doesn't move, and other joints, they are called movable joints because they can move. There are four types of movable joints. First is ball and socket joint, second is hinge joints, third is pivot joint, and fourth is gliding joint. Students, now let us see ball and socket joint. We know that we can move a hand in all the direction. We can pick up the things with the help of hand. Same is with the legs. We can move the legs in all the direction. We can do it because of ball and socket joint. In this type of joint, the ball shaped end of one bone, it fits into the cup shaped socket of other bone. This joint allows movement in any direction. Such movement, it is called as rotary motion. It is somewhat similar to a joystick of a computer. We use a joystick of a computer for playing games. The hip and shoulder joints, these are the examples of ball and socket joint bone. Have you ever noticed a door? It is attached to a wall by metal clips called hinges. These hinges allow the door to be opened or closed. It has a panel that the doors opens and closes only one direction. We also have similar hinge joints in our elbow, fingers, knees and toes. We can move our neck because of skull, and we can bend also because of backbone. In our body, the pivot joint is present between the skull and the backbone, and this joint allows sidewise as well as up and down movement. That's why our neck can move in all directions. It is also called the rotary joint. We know that wrist bone is present in hand and ankle bones are present in legs. Our wrist and ankles, they have gliding joints. The bones in such a joint, it can glide on one another in any direction. Are the gliding joints present only in wrist and ankles? No, they are present in the backbone also. They help the back to bend and twist, and that's why gliding joints are also called as planar joints. We have learned that two bones are joined together at joints. The bones bend at the joints. Joints are of two types, movable joints and immovable joints. Types of movable joints are ball and socket joint, pivot joint, hinge joints and gliding joint. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great time ahead and don't forget to tap on like, share and subscribe button. Thank you.